Hi, I'm Roy Tay from Super Tower. I'm from Singapore. And today I'm very happy to come to Dxtech company. We want to buy laser machine from them, bending machine from them. Today I see their factory is very good, fantastic, clean, big and organized. And I very appreciate of this Eric, Anthony and Zajong. So they have a professional knowledge of their machine and they know all the spare part and especially maintenance, which what I want. So I'm here to say thank you very much, and I like to say again, you help me a lot, not only this, and help me a lot of things, which what we need they provide accordingly. Appreciate and thank you, and all the way good luck to Dxtech.
Thanks so much.
Maybe a bomb.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim Sahari. Okay, I'm from Super Tower as well. Okay, I under sales division. So from what I see, the cooperation between Dxtech to Super Tower are very good. So and pricing also very good. So for our side, we have no doubt to purchase your equipment. This one.
Okay, we are in now Jinan for the Dxtech office, and we went to their factory as well. So what we see is all the product and all the quality is very good, and we highly recommend to the rest of the customer, because we have been go through also some of the supplier, but I can see their sincerity and their product is very good quality. So highly recommended to Dxtech. Thank you all you.